Hey homies, what's up? It's been a minute. I know, you miss my face. I miss yours. As you know, I ain't here right now. But I do have 10 crazy facts you probably didn't know about space. Or maybe you knew and you forgot. Or you just need 10 facts to, make your friends think you're super duper smart and whatnot. That you're super brilliant. So we got them for you. But first, Brandy, please hit the intro. All right, homies. So 10 crazy facts you probably didn't know about space. But first, don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out a lot. And it gives us that dopamine we crave so much and gives us the energy to keep making these videos for you. So without further ado, let's get to the list for you. Number 1, space is completely silent. We've all heard no one can hear you scream. Well, that's because in space, there is no atmosphere, which means that sound has no medium or way to travel. So therefore, sound can't travel and there is no sound. Number 2, the hottest planet in our solar system is 450 degrees Celsius. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system and has an average surface temperature of about 450 degrees Celsius. Weird thing is, Venus isn't the closest planet to the sun. No. That honor goes to Mercury. You would think Mercury would then be the hottest, but Mercury has no atmosphere, which would be required to regulate temperature, meaning that the temp on Mercury has huge fluctuations, and the hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. Number 3, a full NASA spacesuit would set you back about $12 million. Yeah, that's right. If you had $12 million just to blow, you could get yourself an officially licensed, one of a kind, all you and no one else, NASA suit. $12 million. 70% of that cost is for the backpack and control module. Yeah, that's a big pricey backpack. But it looks like you fit a lot of sandwiches in there. So I don't know, might be worth it. All right, just keep in mind, the spacesuits that NASA uses were built in 1974. You could probably get something more up to date by just going to Walmart, getting a backpack there. Save yourself, I don't know, $11.2 million. If these were priced by today's standards, they would cost an estimated $150 million. Yeah, it's kind of an expensive book bag. All right. Number 4, the sun's mass takes up 99.86% of the solar system. Yeah, you heard me. That big shiny thing you see in the sky just constantly imploding on itself. Yeah, the sun. The sun accounts for 99.86% of the mass in our solar system, with a mass of around 330,000 times that of Earth. Did you know that the sun is made up mostly of hydrogen? About 3/4 worth, with the rest of its mass attributed to helium. Right? If the sun had a voice, it'd be high and squeaky from all the helium. Think about your friend Bobby when he eats all the helium. Right? Number 5. 1 million Earths can fit inside the sun. Not one, not two, not 100, not 52,000. 1 million. The sun is large enough that approximately 1.3 million Earths could fit inside of it. Or if the Earth if it's squished, you would get 1.3 million Earths. But if you keep the Earth's spherical shape, then 960,000 Earths would be able to fit into the sun. But can you just imagine how many planets that would be for a second? Like, imagine if you just had that many M&Ms. I need to get some M&Ms. That sounds dope, actually. I need some M&Ms. Number 6. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. Yeah, let me repeat that. There's more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. It's estimated that there are about 3 trillion trees on planet Earth. Fun fact, it's also thought that there's probably more trees on Earth than Pluto. I haven't done the science yet, but pretty sure I'm right about that. There's also between 100 to 400 billion stars, more or less approximately, give or take, drop, add a 1 or 2 here, in the galaxy, which means more trees on Earth than Pluto, and more trees on Earth than there are stars in the Milky Way. Number 7, the sunset on Mars appears blue. Yeah, just as colors are made more dramatic in sunsets on Earth, sunsets on Mars, according to NASA, would appear bluish to human observers watching from the red planet. Fine dust makes the blue near the sun's part of the sky much more visible. While normal daylight makes the red planet's familiar rusty dust color the most perceptible to the human eye. But as the sun goes down, you would see a blue hue. Number 8. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. The universe extends far beyond our own galaxy, the Milky Way, which is why scientists can only estimate how many stars are in space. However, scientists estimate the universe contains approximately 1 septillion stars. While no one can actually count every single grain of sand on the Earth, the estimated total from researchers at the University of Hawaii, and well, pretty sure they know sand and beaches, is somewhere around 7 quintillion 500 quadrillion grains. That is an awfully big sandcastle. It would make a horrible wedgie if it got in your pants. Number 9. 1 day on Venus is longer than 1 year. Venus has a slow axis rotation which takes 243 Earth days to complete its day. The orbit of Venus around the Sun is 225 Earth days, making a year on Venus 18 days less than a day on Venus. Think about that. Your year is shorter than your day. Number 10, and our final fun fact for the day, there's a planet made full of diamonds. Yeah, I know some of you little greedy ones out there got excited. That's right, there's a planet made of diamonds. Fun, right? Best part? The planet made of diamonds is twice the size of Earth, the super Earth, if you will, aka 55 Cancri, is most likely covered in graphite and diamond. Paying a visit to the planet would probably pay for the $12 million spacesuit needed to get there and survive. However, I wouldn't want to get hit in the head with all that hail. I'm just gonna guess, it's gonna hurt a little bit. Alright, homies. Appreciate y'all. Be safe. Go show your friends how much you know and implode their brains with how much science you know. Be safe. Take care. Catch y'all next week.